Hi guys, it's Sandy here and today I'm doing a highly requested video and that's a super simple makeup look that you can wear every day, and I will be starting from the beginning and we will be doing our base together as well as a simple eyeshadow look. First up, I'm starting with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the color corrector. I'm putting this in my under eye area as well as my eyelid just to cancel out the brownish purplish hyperpigmentation, and I'm blending that out with my finger. Next, I'm going in with this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm blending that with a beauty sponge that I purchased from Mr. Price. Look here, those sponges. Oh, not bad, I must say. Now I'm just putting this foundation on my forehead area, my under eye area, cheeks, and my chin. Feel like these areas need some coverage, but you do not need to do a complete full face of foundation. And what I like to do is kind of take that foundation from the other areas and just kind of blend it and smoothen it all over my face without packing on extra product. And I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now I'm just going in with that concealer on my forehead, under my eyes, on the eyelid area, a bit on my cheeks as well as my chin. But like I said, just cover what you need to cover, any blemishes or patches or uneven skin. And I'm just blending out that foundation with the same beauty sponge. I know some of you guys were blessed by God, so you don't need that much foundation and concealer, but the less fortunate like me, we just gotta conceal and not feel. And I'm just setting that foundation and concealer with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. And I'm just lightly brushing that over my entire face. Now this just sets everything in place and kind of mattifies your face, which I actually prefer. I'm just using this one eyeshadow palette to do my eyebrows, eyeshadow, as well as my highlight. Is it because I'm lazy to scratch around for the other products? That's a secret I'll never tell. I'm taking this dark brown color and using that to lightly fill in my eyebrows. I just trace the outline and fill in any sparse areas to keep my brow looking light and fluffy, and I just work that in with a eyebrow brush or a spoolie. Then I set my base using the Switch Beauty setting spray. You just need 2 to 3 sprays. You do not need to go and use this whole entire bottle, so that Switch Beauty site is sold out of this stuff. Then I'm using this NYX blush that I bought in 2015 and is still going strong, and I'm just taking a little bit and just putting that in the apples of my cheek. Next, onto eyeshadow, and I'll be using this fluffy brush. I personally prefer a warm brown, but you can use any neutral color you prefer. And you want to take that and blend it above your crease, right? Gently. And you want to work your way outwards to form a sort of tapered look. You feel me? And then I'm taking the same brown that I used to fill my eyebrows, a dark brown, and I'm using it to smoke out my lower lash line. Onto the highlight, I'm taking a random shimmer shade and we're just popping that on the inner corner as well as the brow bone, the nose, that little arch, and that area above the lip, as well as the cheekbones. Shine bright like a diamond. Guys, I'm gonna start singing clear soon. Watch out, I'm gonna drop a mixtape. Now, if you do get the urge, you can add a wing to this look or a bit of glitter on the lower lash line. But look here, the devil did not possess me today, so we're not doing that. I'm keeping it simple. We're going in with this Great Lash Maybelline mascara. Yeah, and just put on that mascara. Don't forget the lower lashes. This is my favorite lippy, the Catrice Generation Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's a matte, but it has little specks of glitter in it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it has a very creamy texture, and it's cheap. And that's the look without lashes. You could keep it just like this, but I'm going to add on some lashes to be a little extra. Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. Guys, I just finished reading a webtoon called Killing Stalking, and after that, the song will just never be the same again. My emotions. Yeah. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a super lightweight look, super simple. You can add a little bit of flair in your own way, a little wing, a little glitter, but I think this is a stunning, gorgeous base look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. Bye!